guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another hair video for you guys. So today's video is going to be a hair get ready with me. I'm going to show you guys how I styled this Dsoar hair. This is the packaging. So I'm going to show you guys how I styled this hair. Basically how I customized it and like all the steps to like getting it to this and like putting it on and stuff. So I'm showing you guys me bleaching the hair, plucking the hair, putting it on, and styling, and like what products I use. So if you guys want to hear more details about this hair and all the specs, I'll be sure to leave them down below. But I'm also doing a separate video just giving my overall opinion so far and letting you guys know exactly what's tea with this hair. So this is the packaging. Like I said though, this is Dsoar hair, and I'll leave all the information down below. This is their Peruvian natural wave hair, 26, 24, 22 with a 20-inch closure. Yes.
When you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to soak, all my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Okay, you guys, so that is all that I did to the hair, but I do want to add, I did add one more product to this hair, and that is the Pantene hydrating buttercream. I noticed afterwards that from what I had just showed you guys, it wasn't like consistent, and I feel like the hair needed something like lightweight but that will add a lot of moisture to it, and this really did it. So not sponsored or anything, none of the products are sponsored in this video, just the hair. So yeah, this is what I use. I put it all over, large amounts actually, y'all, and the hair is still moving and everything. So 100% recommend this product for your natural wave hair. It was like a savior in this hair. It feels so moisturized. I recommend it. So yeah. Okay guys, so that is how I customize this wig and also how I style the curls. So kind of like a hair get ready with me, this is my get ready process for putting on like a closure wig or whatever. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I'll be sure to leave all the products that I use down below, as well as all the links to this hair from Dsoar Hair. And yeah, that's about it. So like I said, be sure to comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.